Live right on the magnificent Michigan Avenue at Millie, where you will be dazzled with views for days and be endlessly entertained with the parades and other excitement on the Strip. On this prominent corner of Michigan and Wacker, once home to a 4-story building occupied by Walgreens, Subway, and Radio Shack, comes another transformation of the city skyline. This 47-story shiny new skyscraper mixes boutique city living with just 289 luxury apartment homes on top of a boutique hotel and parking garage, the essence of city living. Notice the gleaming M-shaped columns near the podium of the property that define Millie on Michigan, a special architectural touch by BKL Architecture, the popular building design team. LiveShy fans, we appreciate you watching, following, and sharing. If you're enjoying the show, click the bell now and subscribe to stay in the loop with all things LiveShy. You can also fill out the job form at liveshy.tv to tour with me and my team and have us take the stress out of the big move. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city, so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties. Sterling Bay and Magellan Development partnered to create the hottest new rental residences to hit Michigan Avenue, opening in July of 2022, offering comfortable convertible layouts up to 2-bedroom apartments. You'll enjoy all the benefits of city living, being steps away from the Bean at Millennium Park, the Chicago River and Riverwalk, which takes you right to the lovely lakefront and Navy Pier. You can circle back through Lakeshore East for some puppy playtime in the park or to grab some groceries at Mariano's on your way home. Now let me show you these special interiors and views that will make you want to call Millie home. Are you curious about current pricing on these apartments or want more information on other floor plans? Go to liveshy.tv to fill out the job form so I can help you find the perfect place. See for yourself the captivating sunny city views you get in this cutie convertible, perfect for one person at 502 square feet with plenty of kitchen counter space in this well laid out floor plan. There's even room for a bistro table or desk on your divider wall to tuck your bed behind, plus the customized closets allow for more storage space. The full wall of windows really opens up this space. This model is on the 17th floor facing south, and these go all the way up to the 45th floor. I mean, look how pretty the Pendry Hotel shines its 24-karat gold tip among the skyline, blending the modern finishes of the building with the vintage Art Deco surroundings of the neighborhood, epitomizing the history of the Loop. You will get laundry in every apartment, plus GE kitchen appliances, including a dishwasher, quartz countertops, wood plank flooring throughout, and floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades. The total package. If you need a little more space everywhere, check out this larger convertible, aka just a 1-bedroom without a door, at 590 square feet with an L-shaped kitchen and a larger living and bedroom space, plus a walk-in closet that will check all of your boxes. You will fall in love with your new city skyline and water views facing north from the 43rd floor. What more could you ask for? When you're living in the Loop, it's all about the convenience of the walkability to do so many things and be able to learn the city quickly with every train and bus around the corner or at your door. Being a super transient-oriented building, you probably won't need a car. Plus, tons of cafes and restaurants to choose from within steps of your front door. Have you been to Ocean Prime on Wacker and appreciated more beautiful views over cocktails and sushi? You should try the berries and bubbles. This drink comes out floating in smoke and tastes so yummy. It's such a vibe in here, and you get to just walk right home around the corner when you've had too many. The location is ideal if you're working in the Loop or at the Blue Cross building or Prudential Plazas in Lakeshore East. It's also great if you're commuting out of the city for work or school. With Millennium Station just a few blocks away, you can get south to University of Chicago in less than 40 minutes. Enjoy working from home when you get the chance or studying from the 46th floor resident lounge with co-working spaces and conference rooms. Plus more incredible views that will keep you inspired. If you need more privacy to work or study, you may want to upgrade to a true one-bedroom. The kitchen peninsula offers more storage and seating, and the nice squared-off living room opens up your options to choose to have a dining area or a work-from-home space behind your sofa. There's options facing south and north, like this model on the 17th floor, where the views are pretty decent. But we can head up to 36 to clear the neighboring building and show you unobstructed views of the city all lit up. This southwest corner one bed at 754 square feet is seriously everything. If you're above 28, you'll have the sickest sunset, river, and city views from your living room and bedroom with windows all around. This is a client favorite for sure. Look at the angles of the Jewelers Building, one of my favorites. This architectural masterpiece is awed by millions who learned that supposedly Al Capone had his own speakeasy in the dome on the 40th floor cupola. And that back in the day, jewelers could drive their car right onto the elevator up to their showrooms for extra security. You'll get a kitchen peninsula and walk-in closet here too. You're getting prime London House views without having to fight the crowd. But since it's just around the corner, you can check it out on a Tuesday afternoon for lunch without much chaos to clear. Or get here early to save a top-notch seat for dinner. Their menu is extensive and should cater to anyone. I tried their steak cargo, and I cannot wait to go back and have it again. From the Rooftop Resident Lounge, you will see all of Chicago's tallest skyscrapers, from Hancock and St. Regis to Willis Tower, Prudential Plaza, and Trump Tower. Plus all the other gems like Tribune Tower, the Wrigley Building, Carbon and Carbide Building, and the Jewelers Building. Host your friends and family here for your very own private architectural tour. There is no better rooftop pool than what Millie offers here on the East Roof Deck. Plus there's more chill vibes on the West Deck to soak up the sunsets next to the fire. I really wanted to show off all the different viewpoints the apartments offer because I think it's truly what sets Millie apart from all the other Loop properties. If you're looking for the most iconic views of the city, meet me on the 45th floor, northwest corner, where you'll see all of the Chicago landmarks, stellar sunsets, and ultimate water views of the lake and the river. Check out this time lapse so you can see what I mean. This is the perfect roommate floor plan and works well for really anyone looking for a two-bedroom, where both bedrooms have incredible views, walk-in custom closets, and are about the same size. Plus, they do not touch, creating plenty of privacy. So there are two bedrooms on the northeast and northwest corner, and one bedrooms on the southeast and southwest corner of the tower. The apartments here start on the 17th floor and go all the way up to 45, with the 46th floor being all amenities. Below 17, you have a whole nother amenity within the building. The boutique Citizen M Hotel not only provides a super cool artsy place for your out-of-town guests to stay in the building, but there's also co-working spaces, a covered terrace perched above Michigan Avenue, perfect for parades, and Canteen M, a bar that also serves food 24/7. The nachos were our favorite from the bar menu. You will love more amenities on the 5th floor, which is semi-shared with Citizen M. Hotel guests will have access only to the fitness center, but the outdoor terrace and dog park area is private for residents only. You can comfortably care for your pup with the on-site grooming stations, and they will make a ton of friends at the heated outdoor dog lounge too. Both bedrooms are ample in this one-of-a-kind layout where there's space to set up an at-home office, plus room to host your guests in the second bedroom if you prefer not to put them up in the hotel downstairs. From the 45th floor facing straight north, you will admire the beautiful blue water views wrapping around the stunning city. You will not be disappointed any time of the day. This nice wide open floor plan with 6 extra tall floor-to-ceiling windows in the living room and spacious walk-in wardrobes makes 1137 square feet feel ginormous. If you're looking for prime city living, views, and convenience, Millie on Michigan is the one. Are you thinking about moving to the Loop? Don't hesitate to reach out. My job is to take the stress out of the move and to do all the work for you. Fill out the job form at Live Shy TV and I will help you find the perfect place. Be sure to click the subscribe button and share Live Shy with your friends.